Hi, hello there. My name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what I would buy if I had $1,000 to spend at Sephora. I've seen a couple other people make these videos and I decided, why not me? So this video is going to be like my Sephora dream cart. So most of the things in my Sephora basket are things that I have wanted for a very long time but have not been able to justify spending money on.
I only have like $3.50.
These are things that a lot of people do own but I don't have, and if I had $1,000 I would buy these things. I have 21 things in my basket, so let's go ahead and get into this. Right off the bat, hit the ground running. First thing I have in my basket is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 5 eyeshadow palette, the Bronze Seduction palette. I'm pretty sure in everybody's Sephora dream cart there is a Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette in there. Bronze Seduction palette is my favorite one. Colors in that palette just really speak to me. I love the warm colors, the pinky ones. I do also really love the Divine Rose palette, but I think I like these colors just a little bit more than the Divine Rose colors. If I had like $1,200 to spend, I would also get the Divine Rose palette, but for the sake of this video, I'm only getting one Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. Next up on our list, this is a oldie but a goodie that I have never tried. This is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Omega Bronzer Coconut Perfect Tan in the shade Tantastic. I'm pretty sure Jaclyn Hill is the one that made this really popular.
And this is one of my favorite bronzers that I did use this year. This Marc Jacobs bronzer, oh my god, I'm coconuts for this coconut bronzer.
Oh, it smells so good!
I have been so beyond obsessed with this Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer.
About like 3 or 4 years ago. This palette, I have smelled it before. It does smell really good. The color looks like it would be perfect on my skin tone. The pan is huge and it looks like it would last a really long time, but I've never been able to justify spending $50 on a bronzer. But if I had $1,000 to spend at Sephora, this is definitely one thing I've wanted for a super long time that I would buy. Alright, so next on our list we have a fragrance. It is the Dior Hypnotic Poison. This fragrance takes me back to my childhood. My mom used to wear this fragrance all the time. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite smells. It cost $85. So I've never bought it personally, but if I had the money to buy it, I would. I don't see many people talking about this fragrance. It's been out for a really long time, probably like over 20 years. If I had the money, I would buy it. Ooh, okay. So another eyeshadow palette. We have the Melt Cosmetics Millennial Pink eyeshadow palette. I do not own this one right now because I have a lot of pink toned eyeshadow palettes, but this one from Melt looks absolutely
Beautiful.
I love the colors in there, and it's $58, and I'm pretty sure I already have shades that are similar to these shades in this palette, but I still really love it and I would buy it. Okay, so next on our list we have something that some people have said they really hated and some people say they love, and it is another product from Melt Cosmetics, the Amor Eternal Illuminación. I can't read. It looks like a rose gold sort of color. It's like a very light pink. The highlighter itself is pressed with like a sugar skull and roses, and I think it's absolutely
Stunning.
I love it. I love the packaging, and it's $39, so I can not justify buying this with my hard-earned money, but I would buy it if I had a $1,000 spending limit at Sephora. So next on my list I have 3 products from the same brand. I have the Sol de Janeiro Smoothing Conditioner and Shampoo and the Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance. The Sol de Janeiro products smell
So good.
At one time I had the Bum Bum Cream in the little travel size and I used it all up and just never bought it again, but I absolutely love the way these products smell. They smell like the beach, like warm happiness. They give you They give you all the good vibes. So yeah, these are the 3 products from that brand I would buy most definitely. Alright, now I have a couple products from one brand that I have never tried out before, that I have heard nothing but good things about. First of all, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Moisturizer. The way people talk about this makes it sound like it reverses time. Like, I don't know what's in here, but I'm super curious about it, and if I had the money, I would totally buy this magic cream. Next, from Charlotte Tilbury, I have the Luxury Eyeshadow Palette Eye Color Magic Collection in the shade Copper Orange. I have literally never heard anybody say a single bad thing about the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palettes. You only get 4 colors in here, but if you haven't seen the Charlotte Tilbury Instagram page, the models wearing these eyeshadows, they look totally out of this world, and like, I want to look like that. To me, Charlotte Tilbury gives like a timeless, glam, Hollywood aesthetic. I really, really love their packaging. It's just so, it's mature, but it's also aesthetically pleasing and just really beautiful. Alright, 2 more products from Charlotte Tilbury. I have the Hot Lips Lipstick in the shade Kim KW. And this one looks like the perfect nudie pink color for me, and the package on it is stunning. And I also have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Longwear Foundation. I have seen so many good things about this. The packaging on it is obviously beautiful, and the whole Charlotte Tilbury line is just absolutely beautiful to me.
So pretty.
Next up on our list, we have a brand that I've always wanted to try. I feel like I've never heard anything bad about their eyeshadow palettes, and this is the Viseart Warm Edit Eyeshadow Palette. It has some really pretty oranges, some coppers, and a purple. I've always wanted to try Viseart eyeshadows. I've heard they are some of the best quality eyeshadows you can buy. They look absolutely beautiful, and I would definitely pick up one of these eyeshadow palettes. But yeah, Viseart is one of those brands where I feel like I see a whole bunch of makeup artists and people who have been in the makeup industry for a long time rave about. I don't see a whole lot of new beauty gurus rave about Viseart eyeshadow palettes. I want to try it out. Alright, so this next product has been available for a pretty long time. I don't own it. I can never justify spending
$130
on an eyeshadow palette, but this is the Natasha Denona Sunset Eyeshadow Palette. I absolutely love the colors in here. You have a yellow, you have oranges, browns, shimmers. The packaging is stunning. It looks like pretty heavy duty packaging. This palette, when it first came out, everybody raved about it, said the eyeshadow quality was like nothing ever done before, and I want it. I've wanted it for a long, long time. Dream Kayla is getting the Natasha Denona. No way I'm paying $139 for that. Alright, up next we have something that everybody and their mama has raved about. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Protective Primer. Honestly, I haven't heard a single bad thing about this primer. I mean, it's a primer.
I want it.
It looks good.
I did add the travel size one to my cart. That is $22, and I honestly may purchase this. I might. But yeah, everybody has tried it. Everybody loves it. I want to try it, so Dream Kayla's getting the primer. Up next, we have yet another primer. This is another one that has been highly talked about, and it is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Apparently, this primer really helps your foundation stick to your face.
Nice. She's sticking it to me.
Helps it last all day. I've heard so many people talk highly about this, and I really want to try it. I added this in the mini size to my cart just so I could have more stuff in my dream cart. The mini size version of this is $15. I think the full size one is $30, but this is another product that I've heard so many good things about, and I want to try it. Alright, now I know I really don't like dewy things and dewy product, but this I want to try. This is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser Mini. I've heard a couple people really like this, and apparently it smells really good and the packaging's really pretty. And
Yeah.
for my dream cart, I guess I kind of added like a little bit of everything. But yeah, this mini size of this is $10. The full size I believe is $30. So I added the mini size of this to my dream cart. Ooh, okay, so next, this is pretty basic, but I added the NARS Orgasm Blush and Lip Ultimate Set. This is the blush, the lipstick, and the lip gloss. I absolutely love the NARS Orgasm Blush. It is the perfect shimmery pink color. Don't get me wrong, NARS has beat Orgasm with a dead horse. They have the Orgasm Blush, Orgasm Eyeshadows, Orgasm everything. But this set is really pretty and
Add it to the cart.
okay, so next, this is something that has been duped.
Very many times.
I own a couple of the dupes, the NYX dupes of this, but this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Disco Daydream. NYX has come out with a whole bunch of glitter eyeliners, but I've always wanted the Urban Decay one just because it looks more sparkly than the NYX one, and I've just always wanted it, so I put it in my dream cart. Okay, last but not least, we have something that's kind of like out there, I guess. The packaging is
Very
aesthetically pleasing. I've always wanted to try something from this line, and this is the IGK Thirsty Girl Coconut Milk Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. I have very frizzy hair. I live in a very humid climate. That's why I'm also very oily. But yeah, this looks like a really good product. It had really good reviews on it.
So
I added it to the cart. Alright, and that is it for my Sephora Dream Cart haul. What would be in your Sephora Dream Cart? Is there anything that I added in mine that you would like as well? Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Everything that I have on my face will be in the description box down below.
just so you know.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Bye.